Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is about a really innovative concept which I recently came across on internet, and you girls would totally love it. So it's basically about letting a professional stylist style you on the basis of your body type, your budget, your body shape and other things. And who wouldn't love that, right? So I was really keen on understanding how this whole process works. So I went on to their website and I found a form wherein they asked me to fill information on my vital stats, my height, my weight, what are my choices on clothes. So I did that, and now I have received the box and I am going to unbox it with you guys. And I have 3 days with me to try out all the clothes and keep which one I want to keep and return it back in 3 days. So let's go and unbox, guys. So they have a note, guys, which is like this. I don't know if you can see it. And the note says, Dear Tanya, welcome to the journey of Stylenook. Here's an interesting box I have curated for you. Enjoy wearing the garments. So let's see what is in the box. Which one should I try first? I don't know. Okay, let's go for this one. I will pair this up with a formal pants which I have, and I have the look in my mind. So let's try this.
You got me singing way oh, way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh, oh. You got me singing way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Take a drive. Way oh, oh, oh. Way 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 oh,
Thank you for watching. I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, then you know what you have to do, right? Go like, share and subscribe with your
Okay, next take and action.
Thank you for watching, and I hope you like the video. And if you like this video, then you have to
Baby, let's take a drive, take a drive.